Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Porsche 911 Turbo S. First, make sure you have your drawing essentials ready: a few pencils, some good paper, and an eraser. We'll start by lightly sketching the main body shape. Think about the car's iconic silhouette and its powerful, low-slung profile. Getting these initial proportions right is key to a successful drawing. Next, let's refine the body. Carefully draw the smooth, flowing roofline and the muscular fender flares that give the 911 its aggressive look. Then, sketch in the wheel arches, making sure they are perfectly round. The large wheels are a defining feature, so pay attention to their size and placement. Don't forget the sleek side skirts and the lower body details.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're on the go or just organizing your fridge. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's focus on the front and rear. Sketch the distinctive round headlights and the aggressive air intakes on the front bumper. Move to the back and draw the sleek taillights, the prominent rear spoiler, and the dual exhaust pipes. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the subtle door lines to bring more realism to your Porsche 911 Turbo S drawing. With the main lines in place, it's time for shading. Start by adding light shading to create depth and emphasize the car's curves and contours. Use darker tones for shadows, especially under the car and within the wheel wells, to ground your drawing. Finally, add subtle reflections on the bodywork to give your Porsche a shiny, realistic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.